Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you the drink that when you drink it immediately, okay, you are gonna be feeling very tight. You are going to also be feeling very strong as a man, and that part is just going to be increasing in size, and you're going to be feeling very strong, very agile, and good to go. Okay, so if you did love this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, drop them on my website and follow me on Instagram. Now let's go into talking about this, and I'm going to be showing you a lot. Okay, first of all, I'm going to start by showing you this. This is actually tiger nuts. Sometimes it might be very tiny and dry, but when you soak it into water, it's just going to swell and it's going to be lighter in color. Okay, so it's usually browner when it is dry. I don't know if there's any English as browner. Okay, so that's basically it for the tiger nut. And for this, we're going to be needing the milk, because it's just going to help us, to increase our strength. And the next one is going to be lemon, and lemon is actually very good because it actually changes your mood and it helps you to be very agile, very strong, and it helps in increasing your stamina, and it also leaves you very strong and agile. It's also great for fat, okay, excessive fat. Okay, you guys know that when you're excessively fat, you're not going to be very strong and agile with your partner. And the next one is going to be turmeric powder. Now, turmeric powder is a spice. You can actually buy this in a local market where they sell dry spices for stew and all of those places. Okay, that's actually where you're going to see turmeric to buy. And turmeric powder is used for many things. It's good for the skin, it's good for the body because it helps, and it's also detoxify the body, and it also remove fat. It's going to be perfect in giving you strength. So how I'm going to be preparing this is what is going to matter. That is how you're going to prepare it for you to have the full benefit. Okay, so now let's do that. Let's first of all transfer this. All right, so for the date, we're going to be getting the milk out of the date, out of the tiger nut. So I'm gonna go blend it. So I'm gonna be adding a little bit of water here to blend, and I'll be right back. Okay, all right, so here is the tiger nut milk, and let's milk that out. Okay, so I'm gonna be straining that out to get the milk. Alright, so here is the milk. It's gonna be yummy. It tastes nice already. So for the lemon, I'll be squeezing in half cup of lemon. I'm actually not gonna be squeezing in everything because the milk is actually not very much. Just a little will be okay. And after that, I'm gonna be taking just a pinch of the turmeric powder, just a little pinch of it, just like that. It's gonna be okay, guys. We're going to stir it all up, so I'm just gonna be shaking this for it to mix very well. And let me taste this and tell you guys how it does taste. Alright, so it tastes a little sour, and plus the lemon, it kind of make it taste a little sour. But yeah guys, it's actually what you need because it's just going to boost your energy. Okay, So it's actually not what you can take every day because of the lemon. So you can actually take it just when you want to get into action with your partner. Okay, so you just take it and it's just gonna boost your energy, give you strength, reduce excessive fat, reduce bloating, and all of that. So if you're fat and you're always taking this, you are gonna be on your way to slim fit. Okay, so if you do love this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Follow me on Instagram. Bye guys, and ciao ciao.